Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox, and thanks for logging on. Watches and Wonders 2022 is underway. This is our first full-scale watch industry trade show since Baselworld 2019. We're covering the launches from brands both big and small, and among the small independents, Arm & Strom is a standout. Now, very few watchmaker-founded independent brands have survived the passing of a legendary founder, but Arm & Strom has actually thrived in the years since Arm & Strom left us. For 2022, the company out of Biel, Switzerland, is launching a new sports watch model into its System 78 collection. So the Arm & Strom Orbit First Edition is a watch that appears at face value to be fairly straightforward. It's a 43.4mm steel sports watch with an open dial side mechanism, 3 hands, and a radial date. But it's the details that intrigue. The date is indicated by a radial pointer that can be activated or deactivated using a dial side column wheel that you can see at approximately 11 o'clock on this dial. It uses a column wheel mechanism and a pusher like a high-end chronograph. So not only does this make it a tactile pleasure to operate, but it interfaces with a mechanical memory so that even when the date hand is stationary at its resting point at 12 o'clock as seen here, the watch is actually tracking the date via the mechanical memory. So deactivating the date clears and balances the dial. The index goes straight up to 12. Reactivating the date, that's where things get interesting because it causes the date indicator to jump precisely to the current date via the mechanical memory, regardless of how many days the index has been stationary. The power system is also novel. The headline items are a micro-rotor automatic winder, which you can see on the dial side of the watch, and a single barrel with a 72-hour power reserve. But in 2019, Arm & Strom technical director and partner Claude Griesler launched the Gravity Equal Force, a watch with a stopworks inside of its mainspring barrel. So aside from being a packaging innovation, this allowed the mainspring to be kept in the flat and fat part of its torque curve for timekeeping consistency. So while not as sophisticated as a Fusée or a Remontoir constant force device, this elegant solution achieves much of the same effect: constant force, easy adjustment of the mechanism, and constant balance amplitude. So for 2022, the new Caliber AS20 in the Orbit First Edition inherits the stopworks-based constant force solution to maintain more or less constant balance amplitude for the full 3-day power reserve. Now this is the reverse side, as you would have seen on the back of the watch. Take note that it has a lovely finger train system for the drivetrain, as well as a free-sprung balance for durability and precise setting. So the Orbit First Edition includes other notable highlights. There is that micro-rotor visible at approximately 1 o'clock on the dial side. The dial is well loomed. This is a sports watch. The date aside, Arm & Strom marks the top of the Maltese cross stopworks in the barrel with a little index so it can act as a power reserve indicator. So this is actually a 2 complication with the date as well as the power reserve indicator. Bridges, wheels, plates, and screws are all exceptionally well decorated for the price point. You can see that in particular the bridges for the barrel and the micro rotor have sharp inward angles. Moving further down the line of items, aside from specialized pieces like stones and shock protection, most of this movement is created in-house at Arm & Strom, which has been a manufacturer since 2009. A black ceramic bezel protects the Orbit from scratches. It's 50 meters water resistant. It has minimalist lugs, and I do mean very minimalist lugs, which suggests it may wear like a lugless timepiece for excellent fit in spite of its large-ish case. Best of all, it is protected by an industry-leading 10-year warranty that should catch the attention of everyone from Rolex to Patek Philippe. So the Orbit First Edition will be offered in 25 pieces for this, its first model year. US pricing will be $29,500. Stay tuned to Watchbox Studios for news, views, and reviews from Watches and Wonders 2022.